The American hobo dream of the Big Rock Candy Mountain, where princes peddle bicycles and sardine kings sail by in floating palaces. And the Monegasque live, tax-free.
Hurry up! Take your seat! Oh, I think first row sold out. From here.
The boys meet Graham Hill in his Ferrari. And Phil Hill, the reigning champion.
Hello, Mr. Hill.
Hello, Mr. Hello, boys.
A man must have nerve and skill to tackle the hairpin bends and winding curves of the Grand Prix de Monaco. It's the man who wins this battle, not the engine alone. Drivers have to make 100 circuits around the course, which is the most dangerous 2 miles in the racing world. The captain admires a beautiful lady as Prince Rainier and Princess Grace begin the ceremonial drive to the starting stand. The man with the starting flag is the chief of the course, Louis Chiron. He won the race in the 20s. You can feel the tension in the air as the cars rev up to the starting line. That's Jack Bartram in car 14. Watch the flag. They're off. The greatest gamble in Monte Carlo today isn't at the casino, it's at the Grand Prix. The cars from all countries are mainly Lotus, Ferrari, or Coopers. What these men find today in taking chances of speed and personal safety, we gain tomorrow. It's a tremendous feeling in the cockpit of one of these cars. That still hill. The man who hit the bank at Monte Carlo, last year's champ, and this year's ex-champ, by the looks of things. They hit the straightway, the checkered flag for Bruce McLaren. And the princess hails a new champion. Up by the baggy wrinkles, the boys observe a few new wrinkles. First, they join Prince Rainier, Princess Grace, and the excited monegasques and hail the new king, Bruce McLaren.